Testing, testing. Hello. 1, 2, 3. Okay, mic seems to be working. Hi. It's been like maybe more than 2 weeks that I have not streamed. So, I can't say I'm back, but I want to come back. Yeah. I think, yeah, I did say in one of the last streams that oh no, dropped frame rate, yellow. I have a job, commute, stuff like that. And it's been, yeah, this is week 3. So it's been almost 3 weeks that I have not streamed. Who would have thought having a full-time job would make streaming hard, you know? No one expected that. But also schedules still have not gotten used to this new schedule. Yeah. Okay. Enough ramble about my woes. Let's go to learning because I want to do that. I have normally forgotten everything that there is in the world. And if you can believe it, I have not closed any tabs. I just don't close tabs. I'm not that kind of person. So let's see what we have here. As far as I remember, I didn't start anything here. Did I? Of course I did. Translation. I remember something about Spanish and French. And then this is the Google Colab that I tried to run. Wow, that's refreshing. I remember running it and then failing at how long it took. Like this one has run for 6 hours. It expected me to run it for 40 hours, which you've been gone for 3 weeks. You could have done it once. I didn't. Even if I wanted to run it for 1 epoch, it would still take too long, and I don't have the focus to actually, yeah, anyway. I recently learned about this website that is just called keepscreenon.com, I think .com, I don't know, and it's hella useful, but I didn't use that. I think, can I think? I'm guessing one, let's check. I don't know why I think that one, see, something happened 17 days ago, woohoo, 18 days ago. So I don't think there are any checkpoints. Maybe it's just, no, nothing here. Maybe it's just, folder structure. Yep. And, that's it, nothing. So I didn't run the code. There we go. So, oh yeah, I remember something about the custom training loop. Did we do that? I think we stopped there, didn't we? Okay, so let's check this. Was this before or after? Before, right? Trainer train, push to hub, custom training loop. Wow, my brain sometimes works. Not always. Don't expect it to always work. Okay, so that's that. And then here, apparently that's where we were. We're still with the RAG. We're still with the RAG. Okay. He uploaded a new, fall? Wait, no, can't be. Fall? Is it fall? It is fall. 2024 videos. I've watched, one. Oh, this is one. I've watched one. It's not that different, but also it's not the same, obviously. Why would it be the same? So I'm not gonna go there because I want to continue the spring 2024 version, but I'm just letting you know fall 2024 is also available. And then why do I have this opened? Something about trend NLP. Cool. No thanks. And then I guess we were on video number 4 on yes. We didn't finish this, right? Yeah. Morphosyntax. Morphology. Cool. Oh, it's behind me. You can't see it. Oh, wow. Hi, Coffee. Hi. I can't. I want to hide my eyes. I don't know if there's any sort of emote for that. Hello. Hi. It's been 17 days, I think, because I was just watching something that told me it was 17, 18 days. So it has not been 3 weeks. I thought it's been 3 weeks. Yeah, my main issue is with the schedule. Yeah, but hey, it's cool. I don't know what I want to do right now, though. I'm feeling lazy, but let's not be too lazy. Let's at least try. I mean, me, not you. I guess I could technically finish this because, yeah, it's just code, and I normally just don't run the code. Yeah. I've been getting into like making short content, but I still haven't found routine for it. Like 160-second video takes me 3 days to edit. It is not funny. Okay. Especially because I do everything on my phone. Recording, editing, publishing. Yeah, everything basically. Custom training loop. I have like one video that's unedited, 2 scripts. Not scripts, obviously. Because like, yeah, still, like I have actually a few scripts written. And yeah. Let's see how that goes. Let's take a look at full training loop. So you can easily customize the parts you need. It would look like what we did in section 2 and chapter 3. Oh, by the way, I think ZEPETO, or I still don't know how to call it, the app that I'm using to follow the Vtube thing. I think they have added this shoulder movement that I don't think was available because, like, I don't know. I think this movement was not available. Yeah, I'm like, huh, if they're adding more movement, does that mean a hand movement could come sometime in the future? That would be fun. Okay. Preparing everything for training. You've seen all of this a few times now, have I? So we'll go through the code. I was like, quietly? Okay, sure, let's do that quite quickly. First, we'll build the data loaders from our dataset. Build? Really? Cool. After setting the dataset to the torch format, so we get PyTorch sensors. Okay. Oh, I was watching this really cool. How can I get it as fast as possible? Video yesterday. Like I just keep trying to ingest. Is that a word? It is a word, but is it the word that I'm supposed to be using? Take in as much information as I can, as lazily as I can. Like that's my life goal. And what am I supposed to do? Oh, what did I do? So there's this video that I found on that was recommended to me by the YouTube algorithm about just LLMs building a large, like it's supposed to be components of an LLM video, and it's like 1 month ago from Stanford. This part that I have typed timestamped is where he talks about the cost of an LLM, and it's like funny. It's ridiculously funny how much it costs. But overall, it's a really good lecture. What was I thinking? Like, why did I bring it up? Hold up. What was I reading? Help me. Oh, Torch. There we go. Was it him? I think it was him talking about the Torch compute thing. Compute all together before. Where did he talk about it? Compile, not compute. But like, there was a picture. Oh, no. No. Oh, come on. There should be search by topic. Well, yeah. Use Torch compile to help with the moving of the compute with GPU. Don't know where it was, but it was somewhere in here. But also, if we look at like the after he talks about everything, and it's like back of the napkin calculations. There we go. There. And the guy's name is this person. His name is Jan. That's cool. Yep. Jan. And then, yeah. I want to say dubious, but I'm guessing it's not dubious. Okay. Yeah. The part that are like we're talking about taking an example of Llama 3. So 15.6 trillion? Yeah. Trillion tokens. And then another thing that was interesting was with the amount of GPUs that they have, which is, I don't know, like, it was, I don't know how many hundred. It would take 70, Dubois, oh, as in French. Oh, got it. That would make sense, yeah. Dubois, okay, that makes sense. 70 days of training, which is, what can you do? And then the salary part is pretty funny. And then the carbon emitted is like 2,000. I'm guessing return tickets means like going to and coming back flights. So yeah, it is rather funny. I think I'm gonna put it on the Discord thing if there's a channel I forgot about, stream links. I think that's what I've called it. Let me check. Yes, stream links. Got it. Stream link. Go. And now I'm supposed to go back here. So just I saw Torch and I was like, torch.compile. That should be that's a good thing to do. Right. So and now, like, I think around 90% of my coding is done with Claude Sonnet because I like it. Yeah. So like when I'm looking at this code, I'm like, Claude, if Claude saw this, she'd be really happy. So tokenized data set format to PyTorch, got it. And then the data loader, we have our data set, we have a shuffle, we have a collate function, which was written already, and we have a batch size. Oh, hi, Oliver. Oh, hi. I'm like, capital hello is supposed to be for like excitement, so yes. Hello. Welcome. What's up? How's life going? I think there's like this sense of it's not shame obviously, but like embarrassment, I guess. I'm like, hi, I'm back. So yeah, I'm like a bit shy to ask how are you guys doing. I have been going to work and my schedule is changing, so I have been getting a lot more sleep. I don't know why, like, oh my god, when I didn't have a full-time job, like past few months, I would sleep like 6 hours a night and then get a nap and be normal. And now I'm like 7, 8 hours of sleep because I can't get the nap. I guess that's the difference. But yeah, I'm surprised like how much lazier I feel. Oh my god, like I love my work. I love it. Like I don't, you know, I like the job that I do. I enjoy being around my colleagues. I'm just saying, like, it's not something that I dislike, but it just takes every energy out. Like, it sucks the energy out of you. Like, when I'm home, I'm like, I want to do nothing. I want to be a couch potato, you know? It's just, yeah. And then weekends, I sleep in even during the weekends. Because, yeah. I don't think I have sleep debt, but hey, because TMI, but my phone was telling me my average sleep past week has been 7.5 hours. So like, yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, where have I been? I've been sleeping. What about you? How's life doing? And then we call this no. So for training and eval. Got it. The difference is we don't shuffle eval. Why? All right. Next, we reinstate our model to make sure we're not continuing the fine-tuning from before, but starting from the pre-trained model again. Really? Well, that's a good idea. We called from checkpoint. I mean, my model didn't run, so I'm not expecting anything. I'm not gonna run this, by the way, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah. I think the only thing that I'm somewhat happy about is at work, there's this sense of, like you don't have, what is it that I want to say? Like, it feels like you're in a box and all you can do is either work or learn. So I think I'm doing more learning, but because at home, like, there are way too many things to do. Yeah, at work, it's like coffee and a screen in front of you. So I think, I don't know. I'd like to think that I'm doing more learning. Without you guys. Sorry about that. It would be fun if I could stream from work. Yeah. But I mean, I'm not doing the same learning that I'm doing right now. I'm doing different learnings. Yeah. Sometimes work related, like 50% of the time work related, and then another percent of the time, things that I want to improve, which actually helps my job. So don't report me for learning at work. Optimizer. Okay, we're using Adam W. I was watching this Stanford video yesterday, and honestly, I never take learning rate seriously. And he was talking about learning rate like very seriously, and I felt like, oh no, I should take learning rate seriously because I've trained models that I wouldn't say can be used. Wait, I wouldn't say they are being used, but they can be used technically, and I don't care about learning rate. Like when I try to like do a different training with the same data, I either modify the data or I add more steps and more epochs. I don't know if I've ever changed the learning rate. And the guy was like, learning rate is hella important. And I was like, uh-oh, I need to know more about this. Yeah, okay. Once we have all of those objects, we can send them to accelerator. Remember, if you want to train on TPUs in Colab, you need to move it all into a training function and shouldn't execute, hey, thanks, any cell that instantiates an accelerator. Instantiates, yes, okay. Cool. And then, oh God. I should get a glass of water. Okay, that's fun. I like the Monty Python. I always love. Okay, yeah, we heard it. Can I say that I don't have water, but I have tea. I have dark tea, so I'll hydrate with dark tea. My colleague gave me a really cool cup. So I have that with me. I obviously won't show it to you, but I will imitate that I am drinking water. Done. And then we go back to neutral pose. I used to be really opposed to dark tea. Black tea, there we go, that's the word. But now I fell in love with it the past year. Because I used to be a serious black tea drinker, and then I gave up because I didn't want to add sugar, and then I became a coffee lover, and then I integrated black tea back into my life. Again, with the TMIs. Thank you, Aitsuki. Is it Aitsuki? I don't know. Let me know how I should thank you. Still thank you. Yay! Oh my god, I love your avatar. Yes. Especially if it's watered down. Like if it's too dark, I can't. I literally everything that I drink, everybody tells me, "Oh my god, it's too watered down. You're just drinking water." Even coffee. Like there are family members that can just have like espresso. I can't. Oh my god. Yeah, everything in my life is watered down. TMI. Yes, that is also TMI. Yeah. I think I have not asked Aitsuki. I don't know why my brain is going everywhere, but that ski sound of Latinized Japanese and Korean, can't speak for Chinese, is basically ch, but because it's, I don't know why. That's what I want to assume, because I know for Korean that's the case. So yeah, that's also watered down Latin for people who can't pronounce these things. Sorry. I don't know if your name is that though. Yeah. Because I know Arabic does that. If there's a ch, am I saying it too strongly? The ch sound. In Arabic it becomes tish. So I'm like, is the ts same? Like a less strong ch? Maybe. Okay. Thanks for the tea. It's ski. Ah, okay. It's ink. Sorry. It's not isekai, right? What happened to me? That dash is now throwing me off. Yeah. Itsukai. Ah, sounds like Itsukai. But that's isekai, not to. There's no to. Itsukai. Yeah, okay. Itsukai. Okay, Itsukai works. Yeah. There is the, like, in Korean, there's the ts and then ch. And then my language / Arabic has z, which all sound different, similar. Ski. Ah, that's cool. Slavic? Wow, really? I have no idea. Maybe. Wow. Okay. Cool. Yes, okay. My brain is trying to, move around. Brain, come back. What were we supposed to do? So we have our training data loader, which we did something up here. Apparently means being from somewhere. That's cool. Oh, like the word for stan? Like Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan, Afghanistan, Pakistan. The name stan is everywhere. And as far as I know, it means being from somewhere. Or like the place. Not being from somewhere, but like place, I think. Yeah. No, yes. Did we accelerate? It has the loader. And then we say prepare. We can use its length to compute the number of training steps. Yeah. Okay. Like you compute number of training steps. Okay. In custom models. But I don't think in other models, do you compute it or do you just give it to it? I have limited knowledge in that. Remember, we should always do this after preparing the data loader, as that method will change the length of the data loader. We use a classic linear schedule from learning rate to 0. To steal from Quora, go do that. Tranowski means of Tarnow, not Tra. Okay. City in Poland. Yeah, no, I've heard a lot of names with the ski at the end, definitely. My brain went to Wazowski. Anyway, but there are a lot of names. So we have epochs, and then we get the length of that, and then that becomes update steps, which becomes the actual steps. And then we have a scheduler, a linear, classic linear schedule. We have an optimizer, and then warm-up step is 0. Cool. Okay. And then you say, make sure to send it to HuggingFace, with IDs and stuff. And then we can clone in a local. Okay, do that. And then you do that. In the training loop, we're now ready to write the full training loop. To simplify its evaluation part, we define this post-process function that takes predictions and labels and converts them to lists of strings or metric we'll expect. Post-process. So we take predictions and then labels. We don't have logits? And then we decode the predictions. And then we know we don't want -100 because that's padding. Replace. Okay. And then we decode the labels. And then we say for prediction in prediction for label and label. Strip as in clean them. Okay, and that's the post-processing. Cool. The training loop looks a lot like the ones, yep, okay. With a few differences in evaluation, so let's focus on that. Evaluation. Oh, what is this about? So I don't know if you know that I'm taking this NLP course on HuggingFace, and we are in Unit 7. This, like, if you go back, I'm guessing this took me a year. I don't know, I feel like I started, no, I'm very sure I started in 2023. Yeah, taking this course. And it's natural language processing, which means when computers and human language collide, just like translation, text to speech, speech to text, summarization, question answering, like a lot of stuff. Just anything, ChatGPT, Google, even YouTube, like you use human language to interact with them. That's natural language processing. And this one exactly is just a translation using available like functions within Hugging Face's framework library, but also trying to make it a bit more custom. And yeah, like I'm sure you've heard, I'm guessing, yeah, but I'm pretty sure you've heard about transformer models. It talks a lot about that, because like GPT is a transformer, so you can do anything. Yeah, basically, yeah. Jarvis, basically. It is though, isn't it? Okay. Let's start. Can we do a Jarvis just now? Like right now, I want to do a Jarvis. If internet allows it. Let me close this. Let me bring this up. If ChatGPT embarrasses me, I'm gonna be mad. Ta-da! ChatGPT desktop version. Okay, let's see if it works. Also, let me know if you can hear it. Hi, I'm actually currently streaming on YouTube and Twitch. Do you have anything to say to my audience? Be snarky and sarcastic, it's fun. Wait, did you just not hear me? This is fun. Yes, technical difficulties, obviously. Let's try again. I don't know. Can you hear me? Nothing. I'm actually currently streaming right now, live. Say something nice to the audience. You can't hear it. Huh. Why can't you hear it? Browser? Is it? I expected. I mean, anyway, you can reread at least. Yeah. Can't zoom in, huh? I expected the sound to be included. That would have been fun, though. Because I use it way too much. How do I include the sound? Why am I being... including sound. I have the audio capture. What does that mean? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, now that's an screen capture. Okay. I'm testing sound. Can you say something fun? Mm. You can't. Wait, what? Juan? I said fun. Oh my god. You can't hear it. Okay. That was funny. Gonna delete that here. And then get another sound. Sound source. GPT. That's what we're gonna call it, because I'm gonna try to call it directly. Application audio capture. Chat GPT. Let's go. The stream is about me trying to study ML stuff. So I don't know, make fun of me for so that they laugh. Oh, sorry guys, you can't hear it. Going to, like, I literally just asked for ChatGPT, the output sound, it didn't come. Going to delete that, and then what else am I supposed to ask for? Because media source, audio input, no, I want audio output, which was what I needed. Desktop, default sound. That's what I tried to get the first time. Like just audio capture, desktop audio capture. Okay, we're doing that one more time. And like, I don't know, does that work? No, that doesn't work. Okay, let's do read aloud. That works as well. Nope. I'm sad. I mean, I'm not really sad. Let's be less sad, because what I can do, I love the ChatGPT. I love the desktop version because it's really handy. No, it did roast me. It really did roast me. Uh-oh. I will show you. Here. I just realized. No, I didn't realize. Let me see. Did I realize anything? Audio capture. Here it is. We have it. Oh, twice. Wow. Wait, why can't you hear this? This is coming from, like when I play this, you can hear it. You can't hear that as well? What happened to audio capture? Uh-oh. This is fun. Is this? No, it's not on Windows. I'm sorry. I am a Windows user. I really am. I swear I am. I don't know why I have access to a Mac. As far as I know, it's not available on Windows. But the sound thing is available on Android phones. Okay? Yes. So don't be sad. I use it on my phone a lot. Do I have access to for something the thing that it talks? Yes. So not me personally, but someone close to me has access to it. And I tested it just a little bit on Friday. And the interesting thing about the sound part, I don't know. I mean, I have not used the part where it does the thinking. I haven't used that. That's the strawberry version. But the updated sound thing is like this one. You speak, you pause, it speaks back at you, and then it stops, and then you speak to it. The new one, like, I would say one little thing, and it would just stop and listen to me, and it felt weird. So it can tell each time you're trying to interrupt it, and that's not the only feature, but hey. Does it feel like a human? it does feel like I personally like talking to it. It does feel like a okay. So I'm reading this book called We Are Legion, and it's about putting a human brain. It's called an AI, but with an M. Wait, what? No, artificial human intelligence, something like that. And it is that a spoiler to say it clones itself? It feels like talking to a thing that's not a different person, because there's always this barrier. Like with this, I have no barrier. Feels like talking to myself, but smarter. And yeah, messed up the audio output thing. What do I do? Okay. Okay, one last try. This is the last test, people. Y'all can't hear this. This is horrible. Like, if I play this, you can't hear it? You can't hear it. Anyway, I'm gonna try and do something about that. Yeah, literally. Like, I use it for Korean, practicing Korean. There is no level of like, oh, I'm gonna be embarrassed. Yeah, I actually have a video short. Not really. It's not an instruction video. It's just me speaking Korean with ChatGPT. Sci-fi story where sci-fi goes wrong. I don't know. I'm like 170-ish pages in, and nothing has gone wrong, except something that doesn't really matter. Are you guys okay with a tiny spoiler? Humanity. It's a humanity thing. We are Legion, which is Bob. If you have it set up, huh? Oh wait. Oh. I'm using my phone to trace my face. So if I use my phone, my face will go away. Which, yeah, Mian. I said sorry. I don't know, but this is the book that I'm reading. We Are Legion / Bobverse, because the guy's name is Bob. The phone app is called ZEPETO. I can never know how to read it. ZEPETO? Yeah, it's free. Like, you can, it's basically like Roblox, but and don't be scared. You saw some Korean words. It's all in English. Use it on your phone instead of the computer, okay? Yeah, you can make a character. You can have it trace your face. And then my background is green because of green screen. But I can have it be other stuff. Other stuff, come on. Oh. Anyway, green screen. It should. So because it's an Android app, and because I have a Mac, I couldn't set up something like BlueStack, but you can do it on a Windows computer. Have the BlueStack version, and then just have at it, And yes, it should work, because I did test it with Android Studio once, and it worked, and then it stopped working on me. So I'm now like just using my yeah. I think BlueStack is the one I would go to, because yeah, I think it's an Android simulator on phone. I have access to a Windows computer, but it probably couldn't support streaming, because it's, how old is it? 20, maybe 14. Yeah. She's great. I love her. She supported me through uni. I think mine is an M1 and it's doing okay. More than okay, honestly. It's great. I take that back. I will never call anything Apple great. It's pretty good. Okay. Yes, okay. So I think anyone has any questions? Cause I think I need to go. I was like, do I want to go into the training loop? And that's my timer. Huh? Oh, me. Oh, I was like, oh, okay. Will I go down the path of ML hacking? What is ML hacking? Not really, no. I'm guessing using ML to like do permutation is a correct state. Nah. Just like trying to guess stuff. AI hacking thing. I assume you need probably. I like the idea of hacking, like especially white hat stuff, but I don't think I have it. Thank you. Oh wait, why did my face stop working? Oh, there we go. Jailbreaking prompts? I don't know. My focus with AI is just trying to make it multilingual. I mean, not multilingual, my language. Come to me, you know? And then I always remember how these tools are being used in military, and then it makes me sad. But also access matters. So yeah, it's a slippery slope, you know? Yes. And also, like, I literally filmed a short about how I use AI in my day-to-day life that I have not edited. I also use AI in my day-to-day life, just like right now how I would use ChatGPT or stuff like that. I'm not gonna spoil it. You can watch it when the short comes out. When will that be? Sometime in the future, inshallah. Okay. All right, people. Thank you. Aw, thank you. I don't know if you're on Discord, but we're on Discord. So if you'd like to come there, you are more than welcome. If not, you don't have to. It's like, I'm sure it's like the most quiet Discord ever because I'm like, I don't want to bother people. Yeah. So good luck for today. It's a Monday, isn't it? Oh my God, it's a Monday. I had work yesterday, so Monday doesn't feel like Monday. Yeah. Good luck for today. And wish me luck to try and stream better. Okay? And I should try and fix this audio issue because if I play something GLHF, I have no idea what that means. Oh my God, I'm old. It means good luck, have fun. Oh my God, that's so cute. Thank you. You too. GG. Oh, wow. That link surprised me. You can't post a link? Let me try. Copy. And then good luck, have fun. Yes, it is good luck, have fun. Oh wow, that was long. What the hell? Why did you make a YouTube redirect? That's rude. I'm gonna take you. And then I'm gonna take you. Now that should work. Yes? Hey, oh yeah, that's the invite link. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Sorry, life is a bit hectic sometimes, and I go away without notifying you guys. Yeah, I also didn't want to notify by saying I'm coming back in case I didn't, because I thought I would stream yesterday and I didn't. Thank you. Yeah. Yep. I know. Sorry, Google. Google, I'm going to end the stream. Is that alright with you? Thanks. It's Kai. And thanks, Coffee. And thanks, Oliver, if you're around. If not, that's cool. People have a life. And sometimes I do too. Alright. Enjoy your day. Or the night. I don't know what time it is. And see you next time, inshallah. Alright? Let me know if you have any like questions and anything, concerns. This is not a democratic thing. I'm the dictator here, but hey. See you next time. And yeah, there. I have a hand, yes. Ending the stream in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bye. Thank you.